Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install the Bluestacks 5 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search Bluestacks 5 download and select the first site. Select the download Bluestacks option and it will start downloading guys. Just click on it and start installing. After the installation done, you just need to open the Bluestacks. After opening the Bluestacks, select the three line and select settings. In performance tab, now you just need to open up task manager. Go to performance tab and select the CPU. In our case, you can able to see how much cores you have. In my case, I have 24 cores. Now you just need to select the half of the core in the BlueStacks guys. In my case, I have 24, so I'm selecting here custom and selecting the highest core available here. Memory allocation, same thing. I just need to select memory, and in my case, I have 32 GB. So you just need to type the half of the memory guys. To do this, select custom over here, and in my case I'm gonna type 16 GB because having 32, that's half 16 GB. And performance mode, set this to high performance. Frame rate, set to 60 and select save changes option and select restart now. Again, go back to settings and go to display, and you just need to select the recommended resolution guys. As you can see, 1920 into 1080 is recommended resolution for me. After that, select save changes option and then go to graphics. Turn on this preferred dedicated GPU option and select save changes to save it. And then go to phone and choose a predefined profile. Click on the drop down and select the high end device over here. In my case, I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Select the save changes option to save it. After that, you just need to close stuff here and close stuff here as well. And then select the system apps and select Play Store. And you just need to search for the apps you want to install. For example, I'm having the Free Fire. I actually installed before. After installing it, select the play option, and now you can able to play games that you play in mobile. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.